Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes and I will give you a tutorial on how to sell or withdraw from Coinbase. So it's how you can withdraw your funds or cryptocurrencies, how to sell your cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. So I'm logged in, I'm at Coinbase right now in the dashboard, and what you can see right in the upper right corner is a buy/sell button, and you want to click on the buy/sell. So the first thing we have to do, if you actually have cryptocurrencies, maybe Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum or whatever, you want to select sell from the tab up here. And what you can see right here is sell Bitcoin, deposit to Euro wallet. And the first thing you have to look for is what type of crypto you have and what you want to sell. So if you have Bitcoin and want to sell Bitcoin, obviously just leave it as it is on the Bitcoin. And deposit to, in this case, I have Euro, so it will deposit to Euro wallet, but this could be USD wallet if you have the US dollar currency. So whatever fiat currency you're using on Coinbase. And what you can see, I will just change first off from Bitcoin to a cryptocurrency I have, because I don't have any Bitcoin to sell. So I will change to the graph. You can see lots of different cryptos here, but small amounts. And obviously all we have to do is to either type in the amount we want to sell. In this case, it's in euro. So I could sell, 3 euro of the graph. Can sell 3 euro of Bitcoin if I had any Bitcoin. And you choose whatever you want. You can click on sell all, or else you just preview your sell, and you will see how many of the crypto coins you have. In this case, I have 7 of the graph, and you can see deposit to Euro wallet in this case, the price, sale, and a fee. So obviously it costs a bit of money to sell your cryptocurrencies, but you have to deal with that. And what you can see is sell now. So I will just click on sell now. And I'm showing you this because you most likely have cryptos to sell first before you can withdraw your funds and US dollars or fiat currency. So you can see your order was submitted. And right now I'll just exit this, and we will go to portfolio right here on the left side of the screen. And now you can see your assets, and here you can see asset euro. So this is my fiat currency, and this is where we can withdraw funds, fiat currency, US dollar, euro, or whatever currency you're using, and transfer it to either PayPal or your bank account. And I'm usually using PayPal. So what we will do first is to click on euro, and you can see it gives me the alternatives to deposit and withdraw. So this is the place where you will withdraw your funds, and we can just try 2 euro right here, because I only have 2 euros in balance, so that's nice. And you can see right here, instant withdrawal, add debit card. Cool. So they may actually have added that instant withdrawal to debit card. Cool. So I learned something new just from doing this tutorial. And you can see PayPal, and you can see add bank account. So I've added PayPal, so that's probably why it actually is eligible and available for me. But you just enter whatever you want here, what you prefer. You can add debit card, you can add your PayPal account. And let's just try PayPal in this case. I clicked on PayPal. I'll click on continue. And you can see withdrawal preview to euro. Funds will arrive instantly. No fee in this case. And total amount to euro. And this will be instant. So I just click on withdraw now, and they will process my withdrawal, and the funds will be available on my PayPal account after I've withdrawn. So that's basically how it all works. You know, if you're interested in cryptocurrency, I'll leave links in the description to a couple of resources and places where you can either make cryptocurrency into a full-time career. And you know, if you're interested in cryptocurrency trading, I'll leave some resources for that as well. So you know, if you found any value in this video, feel free to like or dislike if you didn't understand anything and you think I suck at this, and subscribe to my channel, as I'll create more tutorials on cryptocurrencies, exchanges, and how to do things in the cryptocurrency world. My main business is in affiliate marketing, so you know, there will be lots of different types of content on my channel, mainly focused on make money online and cryptocurrency. So thank you for watching this video, and I wish you best of luck.